Greetings, kings and queens, and welcome back to another amazing video. And if you're new here, welcome. I know it's been some time. I know I just been so busy these past months, and new things have been happening. But in this recipe video, guys, we are going to be making a veganized shepherd's pie. Of course, we got the Impossible beef made from plants. I have some frozen spinach that I had in the freezer, some potatoes, celery, carrot, onion, garlic, and I'll show you the other ingredients and how I'm going to prepare this as we go along. Okay, so I peeled the potatoes, I washed them, I'm going to cut them. Cut them in small pieces so it's faster to cook. Okay, so I already pre-salted some water and brought it to a boil. And boil the potatoes. My celery. Add a little olive oil in the bottom of the pan so that I can saute my carrots, celery, onions, and garlic. A little salt, black pepper. This is multicolored peppercorns that I just crushed. Stir. Put the lid on, sweat them down a little bit. So let's start our spinach while the vegetables are cooking down. Using a little bit more olive oil. This is a combination of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and multicolored crushed peppercorns. So I'm going to mash my potatoes in the food processor. I'm not going to add any salt because I boiled it in salt. And I'm going to use this butter. So I'm going to add a little plain original unsweetened almond milk. Well, not original, but unsweetened. Just to make them looser. So the vegetables are cooked, so I'm going to add this in. The Impossible beef plant-based from plants. Add that in. Give it a nice stir, make sure everything's mixed in together. And then I'm going to cover it, let it brown, and occasionally come back. And I'll break it up in case there's any clumps of anything. And we'll be back to put this together, kings and queens. Okay, so this is how we're looking now. I did mix a little bit of flour. You can use gluten-free flour, you can use cornmeal, you can use any kind of flour you want. I just want to make this a little thicker. Like maybe 2-3 minutes. Collecting vitamin D, Mo. Goofy is napping in her gingerbread house. Hey, Foo. Foo. You got your head turned away. Hi, baby. You chilling in your gingerbread house? She got one and her brother got one. I bought these last year from Chewy.com. Okay, guys, so I already have my oven preheated to 350. We're going to start the layer. Dish. I did spread the bottom and the sides of this pan with some butter just to prevent sticking, just in case. So now we're gonna layer the potatoes. A little bit more butter on the top, make it a little bit more crispier. And in the oven we go. Since everything is cooked already, we just want the potatoes to become a little brown on the top. And we'll be back. Okay guys, so it is ready. I actually changed the temperature. I put it on 400 for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast on the top instead of a cheese. Instead of using croutons, I used goji berries for that nice crunch.